Hello and welcome to my Sales Agent Training Guide. This course will teach you all you need to know in order to earn hundreds, why not thousands of euros per month from the comfort of your own home. And I'm not joking. If you're here, I have invited you for a reason. I believe that you can become a very successful sales agent. I will show you how to learn the craft of sales easily and hopefully become one of the best in the world in a few years. When you have questions or issues, never hesitate to message me or a colleague about it. We are online most of the time and willing to help you learn faster. So let me tell you a bit more about the platform first. We're managing over 30 Facebook pages already and growing, which receive messages from customers all the time. The sales agent's job is to deliver delightful customer experience, take great quality orders, and make sure the customer receives them to their door. I strongly recommend you watching this video from Valuetainment, which is part of my top 10 sales videos on YouTube. In order to make the workflow easier and more professional, me and my team have created a very sophisticated software system full of features, but more on that later. Let's introduce the full course content now. In this sales guide, you will learn the basic principles of sales, who are the customers and what to do about them, the best working practices, Windows shortcuts, and generally how to set up your workstation, the top sales dashboard guide, the top sales orders list guide, searching for products so you can answer to customers' questions quick and easy, of course, the Facebook Messenger for business interface and how to use it efficiently. Of course, the sales script, which is mandatory and basically tells you all the necessary steps you need to go through with each new customer. Then I will make a video about creating an order, at least one of the best ways and easiest to create an order. Also, we'll teach you how to remind customers to pick up their orders on time. We'll teach you what promotions you can offer so you can increase sales. We'll teach you how the payment and bonus systems work so you know what determines your monthly payment. And finally, we'll teach you how to deal with return and refunds policy so you don't get intimidated by them. There will be also a guide on how to use Google Translate like a pro because we work with 6 different languages. We'll teach you how to deal with problematic customers. I will teach you how to do follow-ups with nicer customers. I will teach you how to get started and create an account and get access to the pages and all that. But most of these episodes will teach you the way we like doing things in our own team, which is, I think, the fastest and best way I know. However, I have also compiled a YouTube playlist with the 10 best general sales skills videos available on YouTube. Check them out here. They're just 10 videos and you will love them. Make sure to watch them all a few times and take notes. With all these skills, you will be unstoppable and ready to dive deep into working. In order to get access to the last video where I explain you how to create an account and start working, I will need to see your notes on each of the sales course videos so I know what you've learned so far and adjust. I hope this journey is fun for you and I'm waiting to see your notes on each of my videos. At the end, I will give you my cheat sheet with the best notes I've received so far, which will help you compare and check if you have missed any important points. Have fun watching and learning and see you soon.